Yeah, it's ginger.
To eat or to?
This is for our fish, ginger and
Nice.
soybean fermented.
Oh, nice. And ginger, it's not so spicy when you fry it.
A bit actually, yeah.
It is a bit,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. But when you deep fry like this, it's less, I think. Less spicy. Other kind of fish too normally, but we don't have. But we still have a lot of food in the fridge, so use it.
This was the river.
Yes, freshwater fish,
Yeah,
river fish, yeah.
So, but it's any kind of white fish.
White fish, yeah. Asking the boy where they from, so they're from the province next door called Trey Chien, the poorest province. Too much floury.
Like the tempura flour.
Yeah, yeah. You don't want to feel the flour in there,
No.
but if you fry the, normally with the normal small fish, we will just fry alone. You know the,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is so it doesn't stick? Or
Yeah, so it doesn't stick or fall apart.
Yeah.
Sour, spicy. I don't like sweet so much, so salty, sour, and spicy. Any dish that has this is one of my favorite. This is also and something not too rich like curry. I like, but not so much. I can eat once in a while, like once every month or every 2 months. But the sour soup like this, I can eat every day, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Why are sticky? If you don't put flour, believe me, this fish will become powder.
Okay. It's sticky and fall apart.
Yes. Depend on how you like it. You know, if you want a bit soft, you can cut it thicker. Yeah.
Oh, so this will almost be like crispy? Or?
This is a bit crispy, yeah.
Nice. You're like me,
So some people if they can put the fish like this and add that on top, or you can put the fish in quickly, so it takes some, soak some taste.
Yeah.
So I will put it in quickly.
Okay. And quickly because you want it to stay
Still
crispy.
Yeah.